It's me again, Sweet Katie Loan Tips. Today I want to talk about the pre-approval and pre-qualification. So what's the difference between pre-approval and pre-qualification? Let's start it with pre-qualification. Why we need to have pre-approval? What does this difference make sense? So pre-qualification, it is the documentation that I need actually to have it as a lender, and I'm working on it and just tell you, okay, I'll still look at that all documentation and you're gonna be approved, pre-approved, not the final approved, is a pre-approved by me. And I'm gonna, after get the contract, I'm gonna send it to my processor, and then the underwriting, we get the conditional approval, and then we get final approval. Then we're going to close, then moving forward, going to stay in a house, in our dream house. But pre-qualification, actually, I don't have that documentation. I listen to your words, so always I trust your words, and you tell me, Katie, this is a documentation you need. I don't have it right now, and I can get you by next few days. But I want you to know that I saw the house and I'm really loving it. My agent asked me to have a paper from your lender, and I would like to have it, give me the paper, and I can put in my contract. Then I can call you and get me pre-approval with it. And I said, yes, it doesn't anything that is not gonna, I'm not seeing any problem with that. I'm happy to help you. But I'm gonna ask you some question about your income, about your score credit, about where you live. Are you working last 2 years? Are you filing your last 2 tax return? How much you want to buy the house, how much you want paid monthly, which is a very important question. As a lender, I should to ask you how much you are comfortable every month you pay your payment. So after that, I'll listen your words, I take in your words, and I'm gonna write it down, and I'm gonna send to you. This is a pre-qualification. This is that I hear your voice, that I hear your, when you speak with me, then I decided, I'll make a decision to your words. So how's that pre-approval work? The pre-approval, actually, I need to have the actual documentation. So I would say, okay, for example, Marie, you told me you had an income, you filed last 2 years, you had a 2 years last 2 years work history, and you don't have any gap. All this stuff that you told me, I want you prove it to me. With what? With the documentation. You could send me the documentation. It's take a time, I would say 24 hours up to 48 hours to respond to you, and I give you pre-approval letter. Yes, it's quick as a quick. I work in 24 hours and 7 days in a week. It doesn't matter to me if I have a client, I have responsibility to it. I stay, I'm working my home office or actually my office, and I'm gonna help you as I can. I need to just trust to me, and I trust to you too. Then after that, I got my documentation. I said, okay, so here we are. I'm gonna approve you with this much, but this is not gonna final approve. This is gonna just the lender as I am. I'm gonna pre-approve you. Then I'm gonna send it to next step after you get the contract. So please let me know if you have any question. I would be happy to answer all your questions. You can email me at sweetkatieloan@yahoo.com. And I will see the next video, and I will talk about the credit. What is a credit and why we need to have a good credit card. Have a wonderful day. Bye.